Welcome to our channel. If you want to access your Synovus bank account through their MyLink online banking platform, follow these step-by-step instructions to log in and manage your finances. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the official Synovus website at synovus.com. Verify the URL is correct and shows a secure connection with the padlock icon. Step 2. Click the Log In button in the top right corner of the homepage. A drop-down menu will appear with various login options for different services. Step 3. Select Personal Banking from the login options. This will take you to the MyLink Personal Banking login page. Step 4. Enter your user ID in the first field. This is the username you created during enrollment, which is typically 6 to 20 characters long and may include letters and numbers. Step 5. Click Continue or Next after entering your user ID. The system will verify your user ID before prompting you for your password. Step 6. Enter your password in the password field. Your password is case-sensitive and should include the uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters you set during registration. Step 7. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, select your verification method and enter the code sent to your phone or email. This security feature protects your account from unauthorized access. Step 8. Click Login to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, you can view balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and manage all your Synovus banking needs online. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.